Assalamu alaikum. May the Lord of the universe bless you with a joyful and prosperous day. Ingredients and method. First, heat mustard oil in a pan. Add chopped onions and saute until they turn golden brown. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Millions and billions of blessings and peace be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad and his pure family. Today we're going to make delicious aloo gosht, potato and meat curry. We'll be using chicken, but you can also use mutton or beef if you prefer. Now, add the chicken pieces, along with salt to taste. Mixing well. Next, add garlic paste. Ginger paste. Red chili powder. Coriander powder, and a pinch of turmeric, stirring continuously. Then add tomatoes and chopped green chilies, cooking until the oil separates. Pour in a little wee water rice cover and let it cook on high-low heat until the meat becomes tender. Once the meat is soft, add your potatoes. And enough water to cover them. Cover again and let it simmer. When the potatoes are fully cooked, sprinkle garam masala and give it a final mix. For garnishing, top with fresh coriander leaves and sliced green chillies. And there you have it. Your flavorful and aromatic aloo gosht is ready to serve. Don't forget to share your feedback. How did it turn out?